Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Shelby County, northeastern Morgan County, central Johnson County, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mooresville, or 18 miles southwest of Indianapolis, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar indicating
Weird how the radio's done back.
following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bargersville around 7:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Franklin, New Ireland, Wyden, and Trafalgar. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 87 and 95. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Johnson, Morgan, and Shelby.